Hello everyone and welcome to Dynamic Motors. They will do a walk around cold start on the 2016 Land Rover Range Rover Supercharged. This beauty came all the way down from California. It sits on a 24-inch wheels. Lots of options and extras. Original MSRP is close to 130,000. You got front cameras, side cameras. Just a beautiful car. Extra clean. Has only 60,000 miles. Seats are beautiful. Inside is beautiful. Just nice, well taken care of car. One of the cleanest I ever seen. Rear power reclining seats, DVDs, premium sound system, lots of extras. This is the original window sticker. Okay, so 119,475. That's there. Options.
Hey Dimitri, where's the black Camaro?
Give me just 1 second. It's in the back in the detail. Ask mechanics. Okay. Tyrone can show it to you. Alright. Let's start this up. All the power options are working just great. Wheels are in great shape. Tires look almost brand new. No rust whatsoever. Brian, what are you looking for? Camaro? You already asked me. It's in service.
Okay, so he's taking care of you guys. Okay, he's going to get it right now.
Secure miles on it. 60,367. Tailgate is open. Just close it up. You can open and close from the inside. You get the top view, kind of camera side views. Just need to wipe down that. Okay. Touch screen display, navigation, massage seats. Okay. Driver, passenger, ventilated seats. Here we go. One of my favorite color combination. Inside is in beautiful shape. non-smoking. Leather is in beautiful condition. All the trims, no rips, no scuffs. Of course, Brembo brakes. Just a great car. Any questions, give us a call. Check the website, Dynamic Motors Florida. And finance. We ship nationwide. You can bring the car to your door. So hope you like the video, hope you like the car, and hope to see you guys soon. Thank you.